from STEM School program. Today we are going to understand computational thinking. For teachers who are new to computational thinking, it might sound to them like yet another computer related thing to be taught to the school children, and that too from preschool to the higher grades. But tell me one thing, aren't they all learning ICT, word processors, programming and all that? Well, you must have heard how schools and governments all over the world, they are implementing computational thinking. India's National Education Policy 2020, which has a much needed structural reform, having a model of 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 of school education, it emphasizes computational thinking as a fundamental skill to be acquired in the school-going age. Computational thinking is not only limited to computers and robots only. Rather, you can use computational thinking without using computers at all. It is a problem-solving skill which focuses on developing logical thinking and critical thinking.
Now that we are learning computational thinking, let me tell you about its 4 key aspects. The first one is decomposition. That means breaking a problem into smaller, understandable pieces. For example, if I am baking a cake, I'll decide the size of the cake depending upon the number of people who are going to have it. Then I'll decide its shape, and further I'll decide how to bake it within a given equipment. So imagine using decomposition for other routine things like doing homework or making a team strategy for that important school game. Next concept is pattern recognition. However new or difficult a problem is, there are patterns. There can be patterns of shapes, sizes, similarities, and references. When identified, it helps to find a quicker solution. The third key aspect of computational thinking is abstraction. Learners focus on what's very important while ignoring what's not so important. This is an important element of logical thinking. It also gives vital insights into the problem as well as the solution, like deciding on using a particular equation. The last and the fourth basic key concept of a computational thinking is algorithm. It is a set of rules to solve a problem step by step. Many a times, these rules can be understood by humans and computers, which is how learners learn coding and programming.
The order of these 4 key aspects of computational thinking can be totally defined by the user. When it is learned in a structured graded curriculum, it prepares the school children to be the creators of technologies rather than the followers of technologies. So write in the comments below and let us know how you use computational thinking in your everyday lives. Also, we are glad to support schools through Teachers Training Program on computational thinking. We can also have a classroom training or an online training for teachers teaching ICT, computers, mathematics and science. We will also provide a complete curriculum for K-12 grades. To know more, contact us at connect@stemschoolprogram.com.